We are doing mini tacos from Costco. Okay, these we've actually had before. I'm just doing a review on it because we actually like them. To cook them, it's you put the oven at 425 degrees, which we already have preheated, and then you put them in there for about 12 to 14 minutes. So I'm going to put them on the tray. It's a good idea also just to put a little canola oil on it just so it doesn't stick to it. Okay, preheated at 425. Oh.
What?
The wife tricked me. She turned on the bottom one. Okay, here we go. Set the timer. I want to set it for 14 minutes because I like things cooked a little bit more than maybe more. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're going to check them. I've got about 3 minutes left of the 14. So they've been in about 11 minutes. Let's take a look. They actually look like they might be done. There we go. Okay, so yeah, they're done. I'd say they're probably as crisp as I like them. So it took about 11 minutes at 425 in a convection oven. Okay, tell Mom and your sister. Let's have some. Oh, all right, you're in it with us? Okay, so grab your plate and make it up just like I did. Put your rice and however you want on there. Okay, so here's the crew. We're gonna give it a test. And again, give you a rating between 1 and 10. Here's Mama Bear. Got a little salsa to dip it in. Now we've had this before, so obviously we did it again. So we like it. Here's my daughter. Come in and give a test. Because we need your opinion. What do you really think?
You like it?
Chicken? All right. You like it? Mom, what do you think?
Yeah.
Mom likes it?
I mean, I prefer the real tacos, but.
Yeah. I make homemade tacos too. Love them. But for Costco, out of the box in 14 minutes, I'd say I'm going to give this about a 7. I've been like a 7 to 8. That's good for me. Okay, so
Can I have some salsa?
yeah, try a little bit of salsa. She likes the tacos. We'll see if she likes it with some salsa.
Do it.
Give it a little.
Hey.
Okay, so I guess she doesn't like salsa.
Doesn't like salsa.
Okay,
No
Mom,
salsa for you.
what do you give it?
Just 6.5.
6.5. Okay.
Definitely need salsa though with it.
Salsa? Yeah. Breck, what do you want to give it? You want to give it a thumbs up or down? Oh,
Middle.
so she's giving it kind of a middle. Okay, and Grayson, what do you give it? What do you rate this?
Yeah, 6.5.
6.5. Okay, well there you have it. 6.5 to 7.